Hi, this short video is going to be discussing the Max6 object, which is called xnotein. Now this xnotein receives MIDI information and then outputs data about that. So as you'll see, we have our MIDI in object, which receives all of our MIDI data, and that the output of that is connected to xnotein object. Now this object has four actual outputs, and this will output different numbers dependent upon which MIDI information is sent to it. So this first output will output the MIDI note number. This second one will output the velocity that the note was hit or released with. And on this final one we have our MIDI channel number. So what xnotein will do will actually show us if we press the note on, then we would expect a 1 to be seen here, and then if we released a key, this would be displaying a note off, which would be the 0. And the other thing to say is just if you double click on your MIDI in, just to make sure that it's got the correct input there. So now I've got this connected to a keyboard, and if I press a key, we'll see that this information has changed. So this is key number 72 I pressed. It has a velocity of 45 and it's currently in note 1. I've still got my finger on there, and we've got MIDI channel 1. So now if I let it go, the only two things that changes is we now have a note off and we have a different velocity from that. So that's the xnotein object.